My favorite response is, I feel terrible for Linda Isaacs, who had to witness a couple consummating.
Oh, behind them?
mid-flight.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if they witnessed it. They probably heard it. They said they were behind them.
You don't think an auditory experience is witnessing?
Well, you know what? At first, maybe they thought, oh, my goodness, somebody's choking.
What?
You don't know. I mean, how do you
What
know
does
what
that
kind
sound
of
like?
noises
What
they
is
make?
that? Why would you say choking? What does that sound like?
You know, a lot of heavy
No,
breathing.
yeah, like
sure.
what?
Like, oh.
No one says, oh, when they're choking.
Well, maybe you don't do it right. I'm just saying.
You don't choke right.
You don't choke
You don't
correctly.
know what, unless maybe they did witness it. I don't know.
Okay,
Give the mic
fine.
to the
you
lady.
You can get out of this. I'll stop pressing you if you do the sound of an alligator in heat that you did once before.
That thing?
Yeah, one more time, one more time.
No.
One more time, and I'm the lady in the plane in the row in front
Okay,
of you.
alligator in heat. All right, ready? Here you go.
My God, that man's choking! Okay, well, Linda Isaacs, we will give you a
Congratulations,
mug
Linda.
because, honey, you shouldn't have had to hear that.
Yeah.